Ever lost your keys in a messy room? Or tried finding a contact on your phone? Then congratulations! You've already used search algorithms in real life. Today, we're diving into the two most important search algorithms that power our digital world: linear search and binary search. Let's unlock the secrets of how computers find things. And trust me, it's cooler than you think. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Knowledge Catch. First up, linear search, the honest worker of the search algorithms. Imagine you're looking for your favorite chocolate bar in a messy drawer full of snacks. What do? You check each item one by one until you find it. That's linear search in action. Here's how it works. Start at the beginning. Check each item one at a time. If you find what you're looking for, great, stop there. If not, keep going until you reach the end. Linear search is like that friend who's not fancy but always gets the job done. It works on unsorted lists of any kind. Small collections of items. When you need to check everything anyway, in computer terms, we say linear search has O to the N complexity. Fancy talk meaning if you have 100 items, you might need 100 checks in the worst case. Simple, right? Now, let's meet the speed demon, binary search. Ever played higher or lower? You know, when someone thinks of a number between 1 and 100 and you try to guess it? If you're smart, you start with 50 and eliminate half the possibilities with each guess. That's binary search. Here's the magic. Start in the middle. Is your target higher or lower? Eliminate half the search space. Repeat until you find your item. This is exactly how your phone finds contacts so quickly. With 1,000 contacts, it takes at most 10 checks. That's why it feels instant. But here's the catch. Binary search only works when things are sorted. It's like trying to use a phone book where pages are in random order. Wouldn't work, right? Let's put them in a race. Imagine searching through 1 million items. Linear search. All right, let me check each item, one by one. This might take a while. Binary search. Watch this. Half, half, half. Done in just 20 steps. That's right. Linear search might need 1 million checks, while binary search needs only 20. It's like comparing a turtle to a rocket. So, which one should you use? Here's the cheat sheet. Use linear search when your data isn't sorted. You have a small list. You need a simple solution. Use binary search when your data is sorted. You have lots of items. And speed is crucial. And there you have it. Two powerful tools that make our digital world work. Next time your phone finds a contact instantly, you'll know exactly how that magic happens.